Hey guys, good morning. I am sitting in the balcony and the view is incredible, you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Kerala travel vlog. Today we are exploring Munnar, a place that's dreamland for nature lovers. We got dressed, had a quick breakfast, and headed out to cover most of Munnar's popular tourist spots. We were already running late, so let's start exploring.
Hi guys.
Our first stop was the iconic tea gardens of Munnar. These lush, sprawling plantations seem to stretch endlessly, painting the hills in vibrant shades of green. It's not just scenic beauty, it's the heart of Munnar's identity, producing some of its finest teas in the world. We spent about 15 to 20 minutes here, taking in the serenity and, of course, clicking a ton of pictures before moving on to our next destination. Our second stop was the Tea Museum. Here we got a glimpse of how tea is made, from fresh leaves to the comforting cup we all enjoy. The history and the heritage of tea in Munnar is fascinating. Though I was not a fan of this particular tea, the experience was amazing. Let's do taste test. Very tasteless, not my thing.
What you doing? What you doing? Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go to this garden. Let's see what it is.
Afterward, we explored the nearby spots, captured a few more photos, and enjoyed some quality time soaking in the vibes.
What you guys doing?
Mommy, I want to back.
Exploring can make you hungry, and we stumbled upon a charming little cake shop nearby. The divine aroma of freshly baked pastries pulled us in, and we couldn't resist trying their coffee pastry. As a coffee lover, I was obsessed, and it was absolutely delicious. If you ever visit the tea museums in Munnar, do check out this particular cake shop. I highly recommend. Our next stop was Eravikulam National Park. It's about an hour's drive from the tea museum. Once we arrived, we purchased tickets 200 rupees each and waited for the bus that would take us up to the hills. The ride itself was stunning with breathtaking views all around. When we reached the stop, it was a 20-minute hike to the top, where we were greeted by the rolling grasslands, misty hills, and a serene atmosphere.
guys. I mean, just look at the view. So beautiful.
This particular park is also home to the rare Nilgiri tar, a species of goat that's migrated here and found its home. These animals are protected, so we couldn't touch them, but spotting them was a treat. The view from the top was simply mesmerizing, and we spent about 30 minutes soaking in the natural beauty before heading back down.
Mommy, look, Maruti guns. Yeah, so many food trucks. Mommy, Maruti guns. Yeah. My.
To go back down, we had to make our way to the bus stop. We waited for the bus for about 10 minutes to come pick us up and drop us to their base. After all the exploring, we stopped for a quick lunch at a local restaurant and ordered the famous chicken biryani. Let me tell you, this was the hands down one of the best biryanis I ever had. After a delicious lunch, next on our list was the Floriculture Centre. For just 20 rupees ticket, we stepped into a vibrant world of exotic flowers, orchids, roses and so much more. It's a paradise for nature lovers and photographers.
Look at that. So pretty.
We spent good half an hour here clicking pictures and learning about the different varieties of flowers. Such an informative and colorful experience. Next, we moved to Jet Ski Point, which was about an hour's drive from Floriculture Centre. But sadly, we missed our stop at the Jet Ski Point because it closes at 5 pm. So we could not experience the jet ski, which we so badly wanted to do. Running late has its downsides, but there's always next time. Our final stop for the day was Echo Point, just a 15-minute walk from the jet ski point. This unique spot lets you hear your own voice bounce back from the hills. It was such a fun way to end our today's Munnar adventure, shouting into the misty air and hearing our echoes. By the end of the day, we were completely exhausted. We headed back to the hotel, called for room service, and wrapped up the day with a cozy dinner in our room. Munnar truly offers a perfect blend of adventure, history, and natural beauty. So, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Kerala travel stories. See you in the next one. Bye.